NHS Smartcards have been around for a long time and provide access to key resources such as the spine. But they still come with some challenges. For a registration authority, or RA, the creation of a physical smart card is time-consuming. The process starts with the clinician arriving at the hospital and queuing to see the RA, something particularly common during new intakes of students. The RA then has to identity-proof the clinician and log on to the Care Identity Service to issue the smart card. Once issued, the RA must physically print the card before either handing it to the clinician or, in the case of lost or stolen cards, post them out. There's a smarter way. Imprivata Virtual Smartcards. The clinician must still attend at the hospital and identity-proof themselves. But this time, when the RA issues the smart card, they don't need to print or send it out. Instead, the RA associates a virtual smart card, issued with an alphanumeric serial number for easy identification compared to other physical or virtual cards, to the clinician's Imprivata one-sign identity, and they're ready to go. For clinicians, physical smart cards are very disruptive to their work. A clinician first logs into the computer they need to access a spine-enabled application, such as an EMR, using manual credential entry. Once logged in, they open the EMR and an authentication window for the spine pops up. The clinician will then insert their physical card, assuming they have it on them, into a card reader and enter a 6-digit PIN code to unlock spine access. Only then can they use the spine-enabled application. When the clinician has finished, they remove the card from the reader, often automatically closing the spine-enabled application. When they return to the workstation or another one on the ward, they'll need to repeat the process, open the application, wait for the spine authentication window, insert their card and enter their PIN, all before they can access the application. This process can take up to 20 seconds each time. And if the clinician accidentally leaves the smart card in the reader and walks away, other clinicians could access or use and perform actions under the original user's identity, leading to information governance or data protection breaches. The smarter way? The Imprivata Virtual Smartcard. The clinician taps into the computer using two-factor authentication, such as a badge tap and PIN. There's no enrollment required, so no need for mobile phones, QR codes, or Bluetooth connections. Then, the clinician opens the spine-enabled application, such as the EMR, and that's it. When they're finished, they can tap to log off, leaving all applications closed and the workstation secure. And when another clinician wants to use the computer, they log on using two-factor authentication and have access under their own identity. The new process is simple, effective, and easy for clinicians.